Nice work on functions up to this point. Now let's try this thing called the composition of functions. The composition of a function is when we use two or more functions together. The notation looks like this: f of g of x. Notice that this symbol is not a multiplication sign. It's a small open circle that means the composite of two functions. It kind of looks like fog. But we really read this as f of g of x. To see what's happening here, let's look at some function machines. F of x will be a function that triples a number, and g of x will be a function that adds 5 to a number. So we're going to start by finding the f of g of 3. What this means is we want to find the output of g of 3 and use that as the input for f of x. In other words, we'll get some output here for plugging in 3 into g. Then we'll take this output and plug it into f to get a new output. So we know g of 3. We simply take 3 and plug it in for x. So g of 3 would equal 8. So now we just really want to find the f of 8. We take the output of g of 3 and plug that into f. So letting x equal 8 for this function, we'll have 3 times 8, which equals 24. This is f of g of 3. Knowing this, what do you think would be f of g of 5? Enter that number here.